Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the elastic volume weighted moving average and envelope indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I'm constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the elastic volume weighted moving average and envelope indicator. On the original testing, it did 72% with 18 trades, so we left this on the daily time frame. We did make one slight change in the original video, was we checked this box right here in the settings that says draw envelope. Gives us a channel that looks like this. When price action breaks above the upper band, we went long. When it breaks below the lower band, we went short. Pretty simple setup. In the advanced testing, we did 50 trade test of this. Out of those 50 trades, we did 28 winning trades, 22 losing trades, put us at a 56% win rate. So unfortunately, that is not going to maintain the 60% win rate that we are looking for. And so unfortunately, this one is going to have to go on the no list. If you're looking for a proven trading strategy, check out the video that I will link to at the end of this video here. It's a strategy that we developed here on the channel, does really great, and we are constantly improving and making it better. All right, that's it for this one. We're going to end it here and move on to the next video from here.